Welcome to our cozy fall decor collection. In this video, we'll share 101 amazing fall decorating ideas that will transform your home into a warm and inviting space. From rustic centerpieces to creative pumpkin displays, from front porch inspiration to cozy living room vibes, there's something here for everyone. Whether you prefer farmhouse charm, modern elegance, or simple DIY touches, these fall decorating ideas will help you create the perfect seasonal atmosphere. Get inspired to bring the beauty of autumn into your home, one cozy detail at a time. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the basics, color and texture. Fall is all about warmth, so bring in shades of orange, deep red, mustard yellow, earthy brown, and even a touch of gold. Layering is the key. Combine soft knitted blankets, chunky pillows, rustic wooden pieces, and natural fabrics like linen or burlap. These textures instantly make your home feel snug and welcoming. Remember, decorating for fall doesn't mean filling every corner. Sometimes less is more. Choose a few key areas and decorate them thoughtfully. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse look, a modern minimalist style, or something playful and DIY, there's no wrong way to celebrate the season. Create a space where you can relax, enjoy the crisp air, and make memories with the people you love. After all, fall is about warmth, togetherness, and the little details that make home feel extra special.